Good morning, YouTubers. Good morning, subscribers. Good morning, friends, family. Good morning, traders, investors, everybody. Good morning. I want to kind of debrief what happened on Monday because I've been waiting for the numbers just to come make sense of me. So I told you I'm a very basic investor. I'm not advanced. I don't do options. I don't do swings. I was making an attempt to make my first swing on Monday, okay? And this is what happened. I saw a company that had paid off its debt. I saw a company that is looking to do some really good things, and they were making some changes, corporate changes inside the business, like from the bottom up. And these are all signs to me that companies not going bankrupt, where a lot of the reports I was reading, they were going bankrupt, and they, even with $35 million in their pocket, that tells me that they're not bankrupt. So what did they do? They did a 1-to-30 reverse merge. I was thinking that I was going to be getting, and any merge that I've ever seen, it's gone up or back, like numbers wise. So like if I was getting $1 a share, I was anticipating it going down to 30 cents a share, and my shares going up 30 times. So a reverse merge obviously is not that what happens. It completely did the backwards, and the backflip does not make sense to me still to this day. What I was looking for to make a huge sum of money, and what failed me was my broker. So I don't know where a company. I was going to take a 17 cent stock, and I was going to ride it up to 80 cents or pull out at 40 cents, somewhere in there. Just some quick money that was just going to inject some capital into my brokerage account. Well, it completely burned me backwards, and I don't understand where they get the number that they gave me. They after the merge happened, they said that my share, my fucking 17-cent share, that which I think if you want to have a market evaluation of, let's say, $5 or more, $5, if your stock is going to be worth $5, you need to have a billion. You understand? $1 billion in your back pocket to be worth $5. The company had 34 million at the time of my video, and I still don't understand where they got off after the merge, giving me the share price $5.77. The company's not worth $1 billion, okay? It's not, and I still don't understand where they get off giving me that price, $5.70, as an average cost after everything. Like, when I bought it in for 17 cents. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? That is astronomically like highway robbery. I'm still waiting for the numbers to figure out where they're getting their evaluation of $5 and whatever. Now it's like, I don't even know. It's like $3 or $4 or $2 or something, which is a lot more. Excuse me. It's a lot more acceptable to say that they should have given me a $2 or $3 evaluation after the stock price, not $5.77. So that's one of the things that can go buggy in the stock market. I saw something. I'm not disappointed in my technical analysis. I'm not upset in what I saw was going to happen. What I'm still a little not upset about is where they get their numbers from. If I'm trying to line up my business or my investments with something that's going on and there's something happening under the table, I want to know what that is, because that's where the people are making even more money off me, and I don't appreciate that, not one bit. So if you're gonna put your money into a Robinhood account, be very cautious, okay? It's nothing against Robinhood. Maybe they're slow. Maybe it was just mishaps with me. But make no mistake, I will be researching all day, all week, Robinhood mistakes, and I'm going to see what you guys are doing. So, just so you know, you fucked with the wrong guy, okay? So we're gonna get to the bottom of it, and even if I'm wrong at the end of it, there's still something that is missing, where I feel that the evaluation you're giving for some companies and their numbers, they're completely convoluted. Fraudulent data. Like, you can't say a company's got $1 billion when you know it doesn't. So you can't make it say it's worth over $5 a share when it's not. So even as a new investor, there's some things that I'm either missing, And I'm going to learn those things, and I'm actually very proud of my technical analysis, but I am upset with some of the things that, like, I just don't understand what had happened in that one particular trade for me. If any of you have any information or some insight, yes, I know what a reverse merge is. I learned what that was the hard way. I knew what a merge was. That was not a bad thing. What I don't understand is where they yeah, I understand they vote on what happens and it's all in the news. I understand that. I just wonder after everything why they say their company is worth over $1 billion and it's not. So there's no reason why I should have a $5 share price or 5.77, almost $6, almost $6 they gave it to me for when I was trading a 17 cent share. Okay, you guys got to understand where the convoluted or something fishy is going on, and I'm really good at reading numbers, and I'm just trying to figure out where their numbers are coming from, because if they're just pulling them out of a hat, then I could say Audio Buffet podcast is worth $1 trillion. I give it a $1 trillion valuation. That's how much it's worth. It doesn't work like that. So I would like a little bit of information. So if anyone has any information, I'm not trying to be upset. I'm not trying to be. It was a learning experience. Okay, let's just take it as a learning experience. I don't take any losses as a loss. I'm still up. It's still profit. I'm still playing with profit. So it's not anything like that. But when I was trying to make my first swing trade, like, it just makes me feel like I don't ever want to do a swing trade ever again. And it's supposed to discourage me. I'm not discouraged, but I would like to know where people get their friggin' numbers from. And if you do have a Robinhood account, I would suggest putting it into Webull. I'm going to keep Robinhood because I need to find out what they're doing to people, and maybe I'll fucking sue the shit out of them. I don't know. We'll see. I don't have that kind of time, but I do have that kind of curiosity to find out what is really going on. So with that said, you guys be safe with your money. Be smart with your money. Don't swing trade if you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't know. I knew something was going to happen with that company. I did not know it was going to be a reverse split, but hey, it is what it is, which means it is what it isn't. And I still have a lot of people saying they're jealous of what I saw and my where I got my numbers from, and it just comes from digging deep. I look for a few things. I look for quarterly earnings. I look for PE ratio. I look for what company's seeing it. I look for the volatility. If people are diving in deep every day on that. So people are still trading the stock like crazy. So it's not going anywhere time soon. But I just want to get my money back from them. I will. I'll get my money back from the same company too. I'm not going to go put my money into Tesla and then pull my money back out and be like, hey, I'm back up $100. No. Titan Pharmaceutical is going to give me my money back. Make no mistake. So you guys have a good day, and love your neighbor, love your family, do all that good stuff, and be safe out there.